Best fodder crops for cow and buffalo milk production. Here is a list of fodder crops that are highly beneficial for improving milk production in cows and buffaloes. 1. Lucerne, alfalfa, benefits, high in protein, fiber, and essential minerals, making it ideal for lactating cows and buffaloes. Usage, best used as hay, fresh green fodder, or in silage form. Though Bercine, benefits, a winter fodder that provides high nutritional value. Rich in protein and digestible fiber. Usage, grown in winter months, can be fed as green fodder or hay. Teen match silage, benefits, excellent source of energy, especially for high-producing cows and buffaloes. Usage, can be fed as silage, fermented, to maintain its energy content. 4. Jowar sorghum, benefits, rich in carbohydrates and fiber, highly digestible. Usage, can be fed fresh or as dried hay. 5. Bajra, pearl millet, benefits, provides high energy and digestibility, especially beneficial in hot climates due to its drought resistance. Usage, can be used as green fodder or hay. 6. Cowpea, lobia, benefits, a leguminous plant rich in protein and fiber. Usage, can be fed as green fodder or dried hay. 7. Napier grass, elephant grass, benefits, high in fiber and a good source of roughage. Usage, best used as fresh green fodder. Can also be made into silage. 8. Sugarcane tops, benefits, high in fiber and a good source of carbohydrates. Usage, can be fed as green fodder or as silage. 9. Green sorghum, sweet sorghum, benefits, provides high energy and is rich in digestible fiber. Usage, can be fed as green fodder, often used as silage. Thus, fodder beet, sugar beet, benefits, rich in carbohydrates and can improve overall health and milk production. Usage, typically used in chopped form for feeding. 11. Clove, clover, benefits, high in protein and provides excellent nutritional value for lactating cows and buffaloes. Usage, grown as green fodder or hay. 12. Ryegrass, benefits, a rich source of protein and energy. Usage, best used in pasture rotation, can also be fed as green fodder or hay. 13. Triticale, benefits, a hybrid of wheat and rye, high in energy and digestibility. Usage, can be fed fresh or dried as hay. 14. Oats, benefits, provides good energy and fiber, supports milk production. Usage, can be used as fresh green fodder or in the form of hay. 15. Guar, cluster bean, benefits, high in protein, low in fiber and supports lactation in cows and buffaloes. Usage, can be fed as green fodder or dried hay. 16. Rhodes grass, benefits, a highly nutritious grass, rich in protein and fiber. Usage, grown as pasture or used as green fodder. 17. Indigo grass, benefits, provides good fiber and essential nutrients. Usage, grown as green fodder or hay. 18. Sesbania, benefits, leguminous fodder high in protein content. Usage, can be fed fresh or dried. 19. Vetch, winter fodder, benefits, high protein and ideal for winter months when other grasses are scarce. Usage, can be fed as green fodder. Additional tips, variety, a combination of grasses, legumes, and high-energy crops is ideal to ensure cows and buffaloes get a balanced diet for better milk production. Quality, the nutritional quality of fodder varies with the stage of growth and harvesting, so always aim to feed freshly harvested, high-quality fodder. Silage, consider making silage out of surplus fodder crops like match, sorghum and sugarcane tops, especially to maintain nutritional value during off-seasons. These fodders provide a rich source of protein, energy, and fiber, which are essential for lactating cows and buffaloes to produce more milk and maintain overall health.